Nothing Phone 4a Pro versus iPhone 17 Pro. RAM. Storage. Price. Chipset. CPU speed. Refresh rate. Front camera. Back camera. Operating system. Battery capacity. Charging speed. Wireless charging. Water resistance. USB type. Storage type. Bluetooth. Resolution. Display size. Aspect ratio. Screen to body ratio. Width. Back camera max record. Front camera max record. Thickness. Body frame. Length. Network. Weight. Screen protection. Anti-reflective. Screen privacy. PPI density. Brightness. Now, as you know the differences between Nothing Phone 4a Pro and iPhone 17 Pro, which one will you prefer? Will you still go for iPhone 17 Pro despite its small size and high price? Or you will go for Nothing Phone 4a Pro with his normal size and cheaper rate? Let me know in the comment section and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.